Have you been praying for marriage for years, pouring your heart into dua, yet it feels like nothing is happening? You're not alone. Many sincere believers face the same struggle, wondering why their prayers seem unanswered. But what if the delay is not a rejection, but a message from Allah? What if He is preparing something far better for you? Something your heart hasn't even imagined yet. Today in this video, we're going to uncover the hidden reasons your marriage dua is taking longer than you hoped. You'll discover the spiritual wisdom behind the wait, signs that your dua is being accepted, and simple yet powerful steps you can take to strengthen your prayers. Don't skip a second. What you hear today might completely change the way you see your journey toward the marriage Allah has written for you. Many of us make mistakes in our marriage dua without even realizing it. These mistakes can quietly block the blessings we are asking for, even when our hearts are pure and our intentions are sincere. Understanding them can be the key to finally seeing your dua answered. The first mistake is impatience. We live in a world of instant results, but Allah's timing is perfect. When your dua is delayed, it doesn't mean Allah has rejected it. Often the wait is a test of your patience, faith, and trust in Him. Those who rush or give up too soon may miss the subtle guidance that Allah is sending their way. The second mistake is lack of sincerity and intention. If your heart is seeking marriage for the wrong reasons, such as social pressure, fear of being alone, or desire for worldly comfort, your dua may not be accepted in the way you expect. Marriage is not just about fulfilling a personal wish. It is a sacred bond and a means to spiritual growth. Your intention must be pure, seeking Allah's pleasure and a partner who will help you grow closer to Him. The third mistake is neglecting actions alongside dua. Many people pray endlessly without reflecting on their own actions. Are you striving to become the kind of person worthy of the dua you're asking for? Small actions like maintaining good character, avoiding sins, and seeking knowledge can dramatically increase the acceptance of your prayers. Finally, doubting Allah's plan is a common trap. It's easy to compare your journey with others and feel frustrated. But every person's path is unique. Doubt weakens your faith and can delay your blessings. Instead, trust that Allah knows what is best for you, and that every moment of waiting is part of a divine plan. By recognizing and correcting these mistakes, you align your heart, your actions, and your faith with Allah's wisdom. This is the first step toward not just having your marriage dua answered, but experiencing a profound spiritual transformation along the way. Have you ever wondered why, despite pouring your heart into sincere prayers, your marriage dua hasn't been answered yet? You are not alone. Many believers feel frustrated, thinking that perhaps Allah has ignored their plea. But the truth is far deeper than it seems. Allah never delays without wisdom. Sometimes the wait is not a punishment. It's preparation, purification, and protection all rolled into one. The first reason Allah delays your dua is spiritual purification. Just as gold is refined through fire, your heart is refined through patience. Allah wants you to be ready, not just for a marriage, but for the person He has planned for you. This purification may come in the form of personal challenges, tests, or even periods of loneliness. Every moment is shaping your character, building resilience, and preparing you to be the best version of yourself for the partner He has chosen. The second reason is preparing the right person. Sometimes the one you are praying for is also being prepared mentally, spiritually, and emotionally before meeting you. Allah's timing is perfect. You may feel anxious, but remember, the person destined for you might still be growing in ways that will make your eventual marriage stronger and more blessed. The delay ensures that both hearts are ready to fulfill the sacred responsibilities of marriage. From compassion and understanding to patience and mutual respect. Another reason is hidden protection from harm. Sometimes what we desire may not be good for us at that moment. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, protects you from a union that might bring pain, hardship, or spiritual imbalance. The delay is mercy disguised as patience. What feels like a rejection may in fact be divine intervention guiding you toward the blessing you truly deserve. Additionally, the delay teaches trust and reliance on Allah. In today's fast-paced world, we are conditioned to expect immediate results. But dua is a test of faith, a chance to strengthen your connection with Allah. Every moment you remain patient, hopeful, and consistent in your prayers increases your spiritual rewards. Your reliance on Him deepens, preparing you for the responsibilities of a future marriage built on faith, love, and mutual respect. Finally, the delay can be a lesson in self-reflection and personal growth. Allah may be nudging you to work on yourself, your character, your habits, or your understanding of what a true Islamic marriage entails. By reflecting on your life, correcting mistakes, and striving to be the best spouse you can be, you make your dua more likely to be accepted. Remember, the delay is never arbitrary. It's a part of Allah's perfect plan, combining mercy, wisdom, and protection. Every moment of waiting is shaping a future filled with blessings, love, and harmony. When the time comes, your marriage will not just be the fulfillment of a dua. It will be a divine gift, perfectly timed and beautifully suited for both hearts. So instead of despairing, embrace the waiting, trust the process, strengthen your prayers, work on your heart, and keep believing that Allah's timing is always perfect. Have you been praying for marriage, waiting patiently, yet wondering if your dua has any chance of being answered? It's a common feeling, and many hearts struggle with doubt during this waiting period. But the beautiful truth is that sometimes, even when your dua hasn't manifested yet, it is already accepted in ways you may not realize. Recognizing these signs can bring peace, hope, and renewed faith in Allah's plan. The first sign is a deep inner peace when you think about your future spouse. You may not have met them yet, but when the thought crosses your mind, your heart feels calm and content rather than anxious. This tranquility is a subtle but powerful indication that Allah has acknowledged your dua. It's as if your soul is already connected to the blessings that are coming. Notice these feelings, cherish them, and allow them to strengthen your patience. The second sign is guidance appearing in unexpected ways. You might find yourself drawn to certain people, ideas, or opportunities that seem unrelated at first. Perhaps a friend casually mentions someone suitable, or you find yourself in a place you hadn't planned to be, only to discover that it brings you closer to the answer to your prayer. Allah often responds subtly, guiding you step by step, preparing the path for when the timing is perfect. The third sign is a gradual transformation in your character. You may notice that you are becoming more patient, more understanding, or more spiritually conscious. This personal growth is no coincidence. It is a preparation for the responsibilities and challenges of marriage. Your dua is shaping not just your external life, but your internal state as well. Recognize these changes as signs of Allah's response and know that the waiting period is also a gift. The fourth sign is sudden opportunities or connections. Sometimes people or events appear in your life out of nowhere, hinting at a future that aligns with your prayers. Maybe a new friendship develops into something meaningful, or you meet someone who shares your values and goals. These encounters are not accidental. They are part of Allah's perfect plan, paving the way for your eventual union. The fifth sign is a sense of hope that persists despite challenges. Even when circumstances seem difficult or confusing, you find yourself holding on to faith and optimism. This inner resilience is a blessing itself, reflecting Allah's answer to your dua. Your persistent hope indicates that your heart is aligned with His plan and that the moment of fulfillment is drawing closer. The sixth sign is an increased desire to act in ways that please Allah. You may feel motivated to improve your character, perform good deeds, and strengthen your relationship with Him. This positive transformation is a sign that Allah is preparing you for a blessed and successful marriage, ensuring that you are ready to receive and nurture the gift of companionship in the best possible way. Recognizing these signs requires mindfulness and reflection. Pay attention to your feelings, your thoughts, and the opportunities that come your way. Often the acceptance of a DUA is not just about immediate fulfillment. It is about spiritual readiness, personal growth, and alignment with Allah's perfect timing. So if you've been waiting for your marriage dua to be answered, take heart. Look for these subtle yet powerful signs in your life. They are evidence that your prayers are heard, that your patience is rewarded, and that Allah is orchestrating a future that is far better than what you could imagine. Remember, the wait is not a rejection, it's a preparation. Embrace the journey, trust the signs, and continue to strengthen your connection with Allah. Your dua is alive and its fulfillment is on the way, perfectly timed and divinely guided. If you've been praying for marriage and waiting patiently, there's good news. You can actively strengthen your dua. While Allah's wisdom and timing are perfect, your efforts, intentions, and actions play a vital role in opening the doors for your prayers to be answered. Here are practical steps that can bring you closer to the blessings you seek. 1. Purify your intention. Niyyah. Everything begins with intention. Before making a dua, reflect deeply on why you are seeking marriage. Is it for companionship, spiritual growth, or to fulfill a halal desire with sincerity? If your intention is pure, Allah is more likely to accept your prayer. Avoid making dua out of social pressure or fear of loneliness. Your heart must be fully aligned with seeking Allah's pleasure. 2. Maintain consistency in prayer, salah, and dua. Regular salah is the foundation of spiritual connection. Alongside this, make a habit of sincerely supplicating for your marriage, ideally during times when dua is most likely to be accepted, such as in sujood, before fajr, or during the last third of the night. Consistency signals to Allah your seriousness, patience, and trust in His plan. Even small daily duas can accumulate immense blessings. 3. Strengthen your character and actions. Marriage is not only about asking, it's about becoming worthy. Avoid actions that block blessings like dishonesty, gossip, or neglecting responsibilities. Focus on personal growth. Improve patience, humility, and compassion. Engage in acts of worship and good deeds. Giving charity, sadaqah, is especially powerful. These actions purify your heart and attract the mercy of Allah toward your dua. 4. Practice gratitude and patience. Patience is a recurring theme in every story of answered dua. The waiting period is a test, a preparation, and sometimes a protection. Instead of despairing, cultivate gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude softens the heart, aligns you with Allah's wisdom, and invites more blessings into your life. Remember, every moment of patience brings you closer to your answered dua. 5. Avoid doubt and negativity. Many hearts falter due to doubt or comparison with others. Avoid thoughts like, "Why hasn't this happened for me yet?" or "Everyone else seems to be getting married." Doubt weakens faith and slows spiritual progress. Replace negativity with trust, repeating, "Allah knows best and His plan is perfect for me." Faith strengthens your connection and opens doors for acceptance. 6. Surround yourself with positive influence. The people you spend time with impact your spiritual energy. Surround yourself with believers who encourage you, support your faith, and inspire patience. Avoid negative conversations that focus solely on frustrations or impatience regarding marriage. Positive influence strengthens your resolve and aligns your environment with the energy of answered prayers. 7. Keep a dua journal. Writing down your duas can help maintain focus and track subtle signs of acceptance. Note feelings of peace, guidance, or opportunities that appear. Reviewing your journal periodically reminds you that Allah is responding in ways you may not notice immediately. It also reinforces gratitude and patience, both essential in strengthening your dua. 8. Constantly seek Allah's pleasure. Ultimately, the strongest dua is backed by a life devoted to pleasing Allah. Increase worship, remember Him often, and make every action sincere. When your life reflects sincerity, patience, and trust, your marriage dua is not just words. It becomes a spiritual force that Allah hears and nurtures. By following these steps, you actively participate in preparing yourself and aligning your heart with Allah's divine plan. Your dua becomes stronger, more heartfelt, and more likely to manifest in the perfect time, with the perfect partner bringing blessings far beyond what you imagine. As you continue to pray and wait, it's natural to feel moments of doubt, frustration, or even loneliness. But remember this: Allah sees your heart, your sincerity, and every tear you shed in His presence. The waiting is not a sign of rejection. It is a part of a divine plan far greater than what your mind can imagine. Imagine this: every moment of patience, every heartfelt dua, and every effort you make to align yourself with Allah's guidance is building a foundation for a future filled with blessings. The person Allah has chosen for you is also being prepared, shaped, and guided toward you. Your eventual union will not just be a fulfillment of a wish. It will be a beautifully timed meeting of two hearts ready to grow together in faith, love, and purpose. Sometimes the delay itself is a mercy. It protects you from what may not have been best, while simultaneously preparing you for the life that truly is. Your prayers are alive, working silently behind the scenes, shaping circumstances, guiding hearts, and opening doors in ways you may not even notice yet. So if your heart feels heavy today, take a deep breath and let hope fill you. Trust that Allah knows exactly what is best for you. Embrace the waiting period as an opportunity for growth, reflection, and closeness to Him. Keep praying, keep believing, and keep your heart open to the signs and blessings that will come. Remember, your dua is never wasted. Even if it hasn't manifested yet, it is being accepted in ways beyond your sight. Allah's timing is perfect, His wisdom is unmatched, and His mercy is infinite. Hold on to this truth and let it give you strength, peace, and unwavering faith. Your marriage dua is on its way. Be patient, stay hopeful, and trust the journey. Allah is preparing something far better than you could imagine, and it will arrive at exactly the right time, in the most beautiful way. If this video touched your heart or gave you hope, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Hit the like button to support this channel and subscribe so you never miss more guidance and reminders from Allah. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, your dua journey, or the signs you've noticed in the comments below. It might inspire someone else on the same path. Remember, your story matters and your faith can encourage countless others. Keep believing, keep praying, and trust Allah's perfect timing.